Hello everyone, let's start today's class. Today we are going to learn very interesting topic, that is color code of registers. What is that topic? Color code of registers. This color code of registers means what actually? There will be one coding language, we can say. Okay, what is that? Coding language. For example, suppose one type of strip will be there, okay, like this strip, and this is made up of some resistive materials, but there will be some bands like this. There will be some bands of different color, bands of different color. From this we should identify the value of that resistance. Understand? Each bands have different meaning and different value. So how to identify that value of that particular resistance with the help of colors? That is what this color code of registers. Understood? So let's start how it is. Okay. So in one line I am writing here. What is that? Different color bands, or you can say strips, are used for resistance value. Okay, what is that? Color code of registers means different color bands or strips are used for resistance value. So what is the rule for this? Let's see what are the rules, or you can say table. So see here, there will be one strip like this. You can see in the diagram. I am taking one strip which is of one color only. Okay, so let's take it as a blue only one color strip like this. And now on this strip you will have different color bands. You can see here I am drawing. Wait, this is a strip, and on this strip you will have some different color bands, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Like this 4 bands will be there. This first जो है first strip, this first strip will indicate what? It will indicate, it will indicate digit 1. Okay, this second strip is for digit 2. This third strip is for multiplier, and this fourth strip is for tolerance. Like that coding rule is there. Understand? See here, I am showing you with the one example also. We can see this. This first strip is for digit 1. Okay, first strip is for digit 1. Second strip is for digit 2. Third strip is for multiplier, and fourth strip is for tolerance. Tolerance means how much it can tolerate, plus or minus how much it can tolerate. For example, suppose a boy can take, or a boy can lift a weight of 50 kg. Okay, so plus or minus 2 kg he can bear, or he can tolerate. Like that, this resistance also, it is having some tolerance, and that is indicated by this fourth strip. How many strips you are having? 4 strip. Yes or not? Or four bands we can say. So I am writing again here. First band for what? digit 1. याद रखो. Wait, let me change the color so that you will understand properly. So see here, this is the first band. You can see here, first band is for what? Digit 1. याद रखो, ये भूलना नहीं है. Digit 1. Second band is for digit 2. Third band is for multiplier. Yes, multiplier. And fourth band is for tolerance. Fourth band is for tolerance. This is what very, very important box, you can say. You can keep it in mind. Yes, this box is important. Right? Now, what values are there for which color? Yes, which color we are going to use? What is this multiplier? Okay, these all doubts you are getting in your mind. So let's see how many colors we are going to use and which color has what value and which colors are reserved for tolerance. Got it? So first of all, note down this properly and let's move ahead. Okay, next. For that colors, for memorizing, you have to keep one sentence in mind. Sentence for memorizing, you can say sentence. Just a sentence I am writing. What is that? B. Roy. Okay, what is that? B. Roy. B. Roy. Great Britain's very good wife. Very good wife. Very good wife. Wearing gold silver necklace. Wearing gold silver necklace. Now see here, all the colors, or what you can say, all the colors are included in the name. Those which are capital letters, only that we have to take. See here, this is G we have to take, B we have to take, this V, then this G, this W, but this is not capital, so you will not consider this. This is again G, S and N. How many colors we got? See, B, Roy. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, no, something missing. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Okay. These many colors we are going to use. So, resistance codes. Let's make table now. Let's make table. So I am making like this. Resistance code. Okay, concentrate. Very easy, very easy. Resistance codes. So how many colors I want? See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. 13 colors. You make a table so that 13 columns you can make, or rows we can say. 13 rows, not 13 columns, 13 rows. So let me make first, then you can make like this or like me. Let me make first. So first one, that is color. Then digit 1, digit 2, digit 1, digit 2. This is multiplier, and last one is tolerance. And these are the 4 columns, 5 columns, है ना? 5 columns है कि नहीं? 1, this is 2, yes. This one is 3rd, this one is 4th, and this one is 5th. Like this column you can make. Right? So let's start from first one. First is what? B Roy. B means B for black. Black. Okay. Black. First digit 0. Second digit 0. Multiplier 10 power 0. Tolerance nothing. Next is what? Brown. Next one is what? Brown. Let me change color so that you will understand. Okay. So which color you want? Let's take green. So second one I am taking as brown. Brown color. Brown के लिए first digit 1, second digit 1, 10 power 1, tolerance dash. Next, red, orange, yellow. So next is again I am taking for blue so that you can differentiate and write properly. Third color is what? Red. Third is red. So for this 2, 2, 10 power 2, and this is dash. Next is orange. What is next? Orange. Next color is orange. So orange ke liye, obviously what you are getting 3, 3, 10 power 3, and this is dash. Next one, after orange you can see here B royal. B for black, B for brown, R for red, O for orange, Y for yellow. Yellow, dirty fellow. So this is yellow. Now yellow is what? After 3, 4. This is 4. 10 power 4 dash. Next, green. Next is which color? Green. So this is green. Green is what? 5. 5. 10 power 5 dash. After green, blue. What is next? Blue. So blue के लिए क्या होगा? बोलो. 6. 6. 10 power 6 dash. Next, after blue, violet. Violet color. है ना? Wait, let me change the color. Next is what? Violet. Violet के लिए क्या? 7. 7. 10 power 7. This is dash. Next is gray. After violet, next is gray. So next color is gray. Gray के लिए 8, 8, 10 power 8 and dash. Next यहाँ पे देख सकते हो आप, देखो BBROY. B for black, B for brown, R for red, O for orange, Y for yellow. After that, great. Great means green. For this B, blue. For this V, violet. For this G, gray. And then after W, what you are getting? W is for white. What is W for white? So you can keep here as a white color. This is 9, 9, 10 power 9 and dash. Now after this W, Y finished. Yes or not? Y finished means not Y finished. This word finished. Okay. So this is wearing. This is cross. Now this we don't want to need. We don't want this. You don't take any letter from this wearing word. Okay. This is just for our memorizing purpose. How to keep it in mind. Right. Next is gold, silver and necklace. है ना? Gold, silver, necklace. Gold is gold only. तो यहाँ पे आप क्या करोगे? Gold के लिए gold लगा दो. This is gold. Gold के लिए only dash, dash. Tolerance is what? 5%. This color is reserved only for tolerance. Next one. After gold, this is silver. As it is, you write. Silver is silver only. है ना? Yes. तो यहाँ पे मैं silver लेता हूँ. Silver. This is also reserved for tolerance. So you are getting how much here? Plus or minus 10%. ये always plus or minus लेना हमेशा. Plus or minus 10%. And last one, necklace. Necklace के लिए क्या करना है आपको? No color. Necklace for no color. No color है तो what is the tolerance? Plus or minus 20%. Only tolerance के लिए color है ये no color. Understood? Is that clear? Note down. Yes. Okay. So let's move ahead. Okay, next. Now let's solve one problem on this model. Let's solve one problem based on this model. See here how they are asking question. Suppose the colors on the register as shown in figure are, suppose the colors on the register, suppose colors on the register as shown in figure are as shown in figure are brown, brown, yellow, yellow, green and gold, green and gold. Then find resistance. Find resistance with tolerance. क्या करना है आपको? Resistance find out करना है with tolerance. Okay. So for that they have given figure. So let's draw the small figure here. like this band is there, and you are having 4 strips, we can say. So brown means how type of brown is there? This is brown only, no? Something like this. Okay, this is brown, but no need. I will write in words only, because color means again it is little bit different, you can see. Okay, some colors are not available maybe. Okay, no problem. So let's make with red only. I will write that color name. So first strip, second, third and fourth. तो ये जो कलर है पहला वाला, ये है ब्राउन. ओके, ब्राउन, देन येलो, देन green and gold. Okay, like that color codes are there. And let's solve now this by using the table. Now see, first digit, already I told you, see in the table, first digit is what? Digit 1. Digit 1 is brown. You can see like this, you can write direct. Digit 1. Digit 1 is brown color. ब्राउन कलर है, यस. तो गो बैक. डिजिट 1 ब्राउन के लिए क्या है बाबा? 1 है. यहाँ पे देखो, यू कैन सी हियर, ये देखो ब्राउन. डिजिट 1 के लिए क्या है? ब्राउन कलर के लिए 1. therefore this is coming 1 here. okay, next digit 2. डिजिट 2 कौन सा कलर है? येलो. येलो के लिए क्या है? देखो यहाँ पे पीछे येलो अगर दूसरा है, डिजिट 2 and that is for yellow. ये देखो क्या है? 4. yes or not? so here it is 4. third digit, digit 3. yes, digit 3 कौन सा कलर है? ग्रीन. तो ग्रीन के लिए क्या होता है? मल्टीप्लायर. तो मल्टीप्लायर कितना? इनटू, यहाँ पे देखो मल्टीप्लायर है, ग्रीन है. ग्रीन के लिए देखो क्या पे मल्टीप्लायर में ग्रीन कलर, थर्ड डिजिट इज फॉर मल्टीप्लायर. so therefore 10 power 5. yes or not? मल्टीप्लायर कितना? 10 power 5. and digit 4. digit 4 is for tolerance, gold, and this is for tolerance. so this is plus or minus. gold के लिए कितना रहता है? gold के लिए रहता है 5%. you can see in the table. gold के लिए कितना है? 5%. yes, देखो यहाँ पे गोल्ड के लिए क्या है? टॉलरेंस. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो 5%. got it? so now what will be the value then r is equal to, this is first digit 1, next digit 4 into 10 to the power 5 plus or minus 5%. okay, this is what tolerance is. clear? plus or minus 5%. how to find this 5% of this? how to find 5% of this? just multiply. what we can say, either you subtract 5 by 100 from this, multiply and subtract or add. okay, so that is not at all the issue. clear? so 14 into 10 to the power 5 plus or minus 5% is your answer with the tolerance. okay, clear? understood? yes. okay, next. now I will give, or some are writing, no problem, note down properly. pause the video, note down. shall I tell you this 5% means what? you see here, r is equal to 14 into 10 to the power 5 and wait, how to find tolerance, that also I will tell you, so that in some problems if they are asking, you can calculate easily. tolerance, for this how much you got? 5%. so that is equal to 14 into 10 to the power 5 into 5 by 100. how much you are getting? check karo. this is how much? 3 है ना? 10 ये 100 गया तो ये 3 10 पावर 3, so how much this is 70 into 10 to the power 3, yes or not? 70 into 10 to the power 3. So can I write like this? I can write like this, 0.7 into 10 to the power 5, 0.7 into 10 to the power 5. yes. तो अब आप देखो ये 5% टॉलरेंस को कैसे लिखेंगे? Therefore R is equal to 14 into 10 to the power 5 plus or minus 0.7 into 10 to the power 5, that is equal to 14 plus or minus 0.7 into, यहाँ पे आप ले सकते हो 10 power 5 ohm. This is what your actual resistance is. Understood how to find tolerance? Whatever it is coming, first that resistance you find, and then 5%, 10%, 20% you find, and plus or minus karo, you will get the tolerance is, and you can write final value like this. Is it clear? Okay, understood. So let's move ahead now. Okay, now I'm going to give only color codes. So this is problem number 2. I will give only color code so that you can find out easily. So see here, this is your strip, and now I am giving only 3 strips. There is no 4th strip. How to find? Let's see. Okay, there are only 3 strips. 4th strip is not there. 4th strip is not there. Let us suppose I have given like this: red, red, orange, and 4th strip is missing. So you keep it in mind, if 4th strip is not there or 4th band is absent, 4th band is absent, it means 4th band is what? 4th band color or 4th band is colorless. That is what? No color. Understand? This is, you keep it in mind. Now let's start solving this. देखो कैसे करेंगे. फर्स्ट डिजिट, डिजिट 1, डिजिट 1 का कलर कौन सा है? रेड है. तो रेड के लिए क्या है? डिजिट 1 2. नेक्स्ट डिजिट 2 क्या है बोलो? डिजिट 2, डिजिट 2 आल्सो रेड. रेड के लिए क्या है? डिजिट 2 2. डिजिट 3, डिजिट 3 क्या है बोलो? क्या है डिजिट 3 यहाँ पे? ऑरेंज. और ये क्या हो जाएगा? मल्टीप्लायर. क्या होगा मल्टीप्लायर बोलो? ऑरेंज के लिए मल्टीप्लायर क्या है? ऑरेंज के लिए मल्टीप्लायर है 10 पावर 3. क्या है मल्टीप्लायर? 10 पावर 3. एंड दिस डिजिट 4 और बैंड 4 वी कैन से. डिजिट 4 क्या होगा? नो कलर. And this is what? No color means what you are getting? Tolerance plus or minus 20%. Yes. यहाँ पे आप एक काम करो, ये जो डिजिट 3 और डिजिट 4 लिखते हो ना, इसको आप खाली स्ट्रिप लिखो, स्ट्रिप 3 है ना, और बैंड 3 वी कैन से बैंड 3 एंड बैंड 4। ओके, बैंड 3 एंड बैंड 4 लिखो उसको, क्योंकि ये डिजिट 1 के लिए, डिजिट 2 के लिए ठीक है। बैंड 3 इज रिजर्व फॉर मल्टीप्लायर, तो यहाँ पे आप इसको मल्टीप्लायर लिख लिया ऑलरेडी। बैंड 4 इज फॉर टॉलरेंस, दिस इज फॉर मल्टीप्लायर एंड दिस इज फॉर टॉलरेंस। जो पिछला प्रॉब्लम है उसमें भी आप इसको डिजिट 3 की जगह पे यहाँ पे आप एक बैंड 3 और बैंड 4 ले लो, बैंड 3 लिखो इसको। ओके, बैंड 3 बैंड 4, इसको भी आप ऐसे लिख सकते हो, बैंड 1 फॉर डिजिट 1, बैंड 2 फॉर डिजिट 2, है ना, बैंड 1 फॉर डिजिट 1, बैंड 2 फॉर डिजिट 2, बैंड 3 फॉर टॉलरेंस। ऐसे लिखेंगे इसको, बहुत अच्छा रहेगा ये, है ना, या ऐसे लिखेंगे चलेगा क्या? बैंड 3 रिजर्व फॉर मल्टीप्लायर, तो आपको बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आएगा। और ये जो है बैंड 4, वो क्या लिखेंगे? टॉलरेंस लिखेंगे, टॉलरेंस, बैंड 4 टॉलरेंस। यहाँ पे लिखा है देखो, फर्स्ट बैंड, सेकंड बैंड, थर्ड बैंड, फोर्थ बैंड, ऐसे इसी पैटर्न में लिखो जो मैंने पहले पेज पे दिया था ना, वैसे वैसे पैटर्न में लिखो। ओके, ठीक है, चलो आगे चलते हैं। सो दिस इज व्हाट आवर प्रॉब्लम इज, राइट? ओके, तो digit 1, here also I am writing like this only, एक ही पैटर्न से जाएंगे सारे प्रॉब्लम को। बैंड 1, दिस इज digit 1, बैंड 2, digit 2, बैंड 3 multiplier, and band 4 tolerance, right? Okay, तो ऐसे पैटर्न में जाएंगे so that you will understand clearly. So now you see R is equal to what you are getting here for this color codes, 2 into 10 to the power 3 plus or minus 20%. Clear? This is what your answer for this problem is. Clear? Okay, next one more problem. Like these strips are there, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here it is, I am taking yellow, this is yellow, next one is blue, this one is red, and last one is gold. Okay, तो चलो आप कैसे करेंगे देखो, ये यूनिफॉर्म पैटर्न से करेंगे जो बहुत इजी है। हाउ मेनी बैंड्स यू आर हैविंग? 4 बैंड्स। बैंड 1, बैंड 1 is for digit 1, digit 1 is how much? येलो, येलो कलर के लिए क्या है बोलो? येलो कलर के लिए फर्स्ट डिजिट होगा 4। नेक्स्ट बैंड 2, ये क्या होगा? डिजिट 2, इसके लिए क्या होगा? डिजिट 2 के लिए, डिजिट 2 क्या है? ब्लू, ब्लू का डिजिट 2 क्या है? ब्लू के लिए क्या होगा? 6। नेक्स्ट बैंड 3, बैंड 3 इंडिकेट्स व्हाट? मल्टीप्लायर, मल्टीप्लायर इंडिकेट कर रहा है, तो कितना है ये? थर्ड वन, विच कलर? रेड कलर, रेड कलर का मल्टीप्लायर क्या है? रेड कलर मल्टीप्लायर, हाउ मच इट इज? 10 power 2। एंड बैंड 3 और बैंड 4 is reserved for tolerance, and tolerance के लिए color है gold, and gold reserves how much, plus or minus 5%. तो क्या हो गया resistance इसका, R is equal to 46 into 10 to the power 2 plus or minus 5% ohm. Clear? Yes, this is what your tolerance is. With resistance. Clear? Okay. Understood? Note down. Okay. Now I am giving homework, few problems you can try yourself. Number 1, this one is number 2. Okay. 3, this is 4, and one more is 5. ये जो है black, brown, orange, black, black, brown, orange. ये जो है red, orange, red, orange, red, orange, blue, and silver. This one green, violet, blue, green, violet, blue, and this is also silver. Now find color codes. This जो third और जो fourth problem है. In this fourth problem, find color codes. If resistance, find color codes. Find color codes for following resistance or resistors, we can say, for following resistors. जो A है red, orange, and silver. These are the colors, but I want values. Okay, उल्टा देना है. Find color codes for following resistors. तो मैं value दूंगा. I am giving like this 22 into 10 to the power 3 plus or minus 5%, and B beat 3 1 into 10 to the power 3. 31 10 to the power 3 plus or minus 20. Find out the color codes for these values. How to find? This is first color, digit 1, first color, digit 2, second color, this is third, and this is what? Tolerance. Clear? Okay. So solve this and let's stop here. Okay. Enjoy the day.